It came from the deep, a low, thunderous sound, too loud to be ignored, too strange to be explained. In 1997, a sound was captured by NOAA hydrophones acoustic sensors designed to listen for underwater events. It was picked up over 3,000 miles apart and it sounded alive. The name stuck, the bloop. What was it? On the spectrogram, it looked organic-like, a slow, rising bellow, almost like a giant breath. But here's the problem. No known animal could make that sound, not even a blue whale. It was far too loud, louder than any creature ever documented. No volcano, no human-made device, and yet it matched no earthquake, just bloop. NOAA officially classified the bloop as an icequake, a massive glacial ice shifting and fracturing under the sea. It made sense acoustically, but the timing and location threw skeptics off. The sound originated near 50 degrees south and 100 degrees west, close to one of the least explored ocean regions on Earth, a place known for cold waters, deep trenches, and mystery. Lovecraft's legacy fans of horror latched onto the coordinates because, guess what? That region isn't far from the fictional location of Arlia, the underwater city where the author H.P. Lovecraft placed Cthulhu, the tentacled cosmic horror sleeping beneath the waves. Coincidence? Maybe, but the idea that something enormous stirred from the trench gave the bloop mythic weight. This wasn't just sound, it became a whisper of fear. Monster comparisons, animated size charts tried to visualize the bloop's source. Bigger than a whale, bigger than a ship, possibly bigger than Manhattan. But it wasn't seen, only heard. Some theorized a previously unknown creature, a deep-sea leviathan. Something so massive and silent it could live undetected at unfathomable depths. Others said it was a mix of geological noise and wishful thinking, but the mystery remains because the bloop's audio file still sounds unsettling. We want a sound to be more than vibration. It should be a warning or a call. The bloop reminds us that most of our planet is still unsearched, still uncatalogued, still loud with voices we don't recognize. What happens when a flower shakes the market? Why? What we know now, more recent studies suggest it really was ice shifting, but the bloop's fame keeps it alive because we want it to mean something. We want the oceans to hide secrets. We want the unrecorded to exist. And in a way, it is. Thanks for watching, but if a deep-sea sound shook the world, click through to Tulip Mania where one bulb outpriced houses, horses, and entire fortunes, because not all bubbles burst in water. Some bloom and then collapse.